Use SEO research when looking to expand into other markets. What's up, everybody? This is Kevin Daisy here. So some more SEO knowledge coming at you. If you have a physical business, meaning you work in a local area, city, county, state, and you're looking to go into another market, and the physical presence is something that's important to you, instead of looking at office space and where you're going to be physically located in town, do SEO research to choose where you should even go. And what I mean by this, maybe the next market near you. Maybe you're looking at 2 or 3 different markets or different states. Go do SEO research. And there's a lot of tools out there you can use to do this research. You can use like Google's Keyword Planner. Now that's for Google Ads, but you can use it to find search inventory in that city, town, DMA, state, whatever, and see what the volume's like. You can also use tools like Ahrefs to see the competition. And so what you should be doing is say, if you don't know how to do this stuff, of course, reach out to someone like myself or another SEO expert, but you want to do research to see how easy is it to rank in that area for your services. And you want to find a market or city or town that you feel is very easy to rank, because you can set up shop there, get a Google My Business listing, get a map listing, get some local SEO, put together your website, add those pages for that area, and rank very quickly in some of these markets, where some other markets may be so saturated or so competitive that it doesn't make sense. Again, we're looking at using SEO to start this new market. Instead of shaking hands, networking in the old-fashioned way, try looking at it from a different perspective. So look at the SEO research, look at the competitors, see if it's the easy place to rank. And you can get calls and leads in that market before you even actually open an office. Just get you a virtual office so you can get a Google My Business listing, so you have a physical presence online, and then set up an actual physical presence if you feel the need once you have some revenue coming in from that market. So SEO research is huge. Do that research, look at the market you want to go into, and make sure it's going to be something you can rank in and be competitive in.
Hey there, it's Erik J. Olson. I wanted to let you know about my book, $1 Million Journey, How to Launch a 7-Figure Business. This is the story of what it took for me to go from freelancer with no clients, no employees, no revenue, to growing a $1 million business. It took me 8 years, and I made a lot of mistakes. And all of those mistakes, and more importantly, lessons learned, are in this book. And we have chapter takeaways, 5 to 15 takeaways that you can apply right now to your business. Check it out on Amazon, $1 Million Journey by me, Erik J. Olson.